Look at Cartoon Cat. Max thinks it's very disturbing, and it is. Look at how big he is, guys. He's gigantic. Ooh, Milk Walker Ambassador. He's a milk carton, guys.
When you look at him, he doesn't move, but when you don't look at him, he moves. Yeah, look, see, he's not moving. Now look the other way.
Cartoon Cat just slaps everybody. Watch.
Got him.
Train Eater is attacking. Oh no! He is not happy. Oh, he ate somebody! Oh, Cartoon Cat! He ate Cartoon Cat! Oh gosh. Oh, there he comes. Oh no, he's eating Milk Walker's legs. He's sucking him in. No, he's pulling him away! Oh! He still got him! Oh gosh. Oh, hey, no twerking. Train Eater, stop the twerking. Stop it. He's twerking on film. This is a kid audience. No.
Hey.
No, don't twerk at Cartoon Cat. No twerking at Cartoon Cat. No. Oh, that's disturbing.
Now it's even more.
No, that's even worse. He's planking. He's planking. How good they look. Look at these details. Chimney head, guys. Look how cool he looks. Yeah, they feel like vinyl plastic. Look at the teeth. Look at it. Now you can see.
Have Mom just throw Dynamite right in him.
Oh my gosh, Dynamite. Oh, you just blew up. Oh, the Dynamite came out. The Dynamite. Oh, Train Eater, he's upside down. He's like a little roly-poly bug.
He needs help.
He's like a beetle. Oh, buddy.
He needs to respawn.
Here, let's rub his belly.
He needs
Oh, you have to help
some
him.
milk.
Help him. You have to like get him back up.
Okay, let's 1, 2, 3, and we'll flip, buddy. 1, 2, 3, flip. Oh, he did it. Seriously. Oh, no, he's not slow. He's not slow at all. Okay, it's the giant Puppeteer. And we finally have breaking news. Breaking news there, and remain indoors. That is remain indoors, guys. Oh, they're all standing. Breaking news is standing by himself. Remain indoors is standing, and the Puppeteer is standing. Look at that. He's got them all standing. It's just Puppeteer is really hard to stand. Oh my gosh, he did it! Okay, which Trevor Henderson creature is this, guys? Can you tell? Max can tell you. You want to tell them what it is?
The kraken.
Kraken. Traffic light head is done. Check him out. He's bigger than I thought. He's pretty big. He's about 12 inches tall. He stands by himself, as you see. Check out his details. What's up, Trevor Henderson fans? Max is a Trevor Henderson fan, and he has packages here that are Trevor Henderson creatures. So let's see what's in this first one, because he can't even wait to open it. Oh, it's a parcel. Look how nice it was wrapped. It even has a Christmas thing on it. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. He just pulled it out. Yeah, no. Oh my gosh, Train Eater. Train Eater. Look how legit he looks. Dude, he looks legit as heck. This, you guys, this was from Etsy. A person made this, so this is handcrafted from someone on Etsy, and I'll put a link in the description so you guys, if you want one, you'll know how to get it. But check this thing out! It's huge! It's a big old honkin' Train Eater, bro. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at the details. Yes, you can open another one, and then I'll show you guys the details of everything in a minute. Whoa! What just popped out?
Hi.
What popped out?
Oh my god.
Action figures. Look at the action figures. And they have the logo for the SCP Foundation. Yeah, it's a stand, and it's the SCP logo. Which some of you kids won't be happy about, because you don't like it when SCPs and Trevor Henderson creatures are mixed, do you? But I get it. I get it.
not like
Is it not
pressing down.
not fitting good?
I pressed it. I'm trying my hardest.
Oh, they might not work that good then. Oh gosh. That's okay though. We'll see if Papa can fit it on the stand. So that was Siren Head. And now what is there? Oh wait, what's that little guy's name? Is that Nugget or wait? What's his name?
I don't know.
Oh, I know his name. What is it? Oh, Traffic Light Head, guys. Traffic Light Head. Dude, he looks legit. Look at that. Traffic Light Head.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, that one works. Okay.
You just have to twist it.
He stands. Oh, perfect.
Those things look
They're standing
legit.
up perfect.
Look at the details on them. Look at
Yeah, the
mouth.
details, bro.
Show the mouth to the kids. They'll see.
Look at the details of the mouth.
It's a little wonky. It's not supposed to be that way.
You wanted him to have a tongue on one side, huh?
I think it looks cool.
Look at those. They're epic. We'll show you guys all the up close details once we get them all opened. And is that Chimney Head? Looks like Chimney Head, guys.
That face is something out of my nightmare.
That is a paralysis demon. Look at, yeah, it's a paralysis demon, Papa. Cartoon cat.
Cartoon cat's one of my favorites. So it's gonna be so
What about this?
This is Chimney Head.
creepy.
Yeah, we have a little one. Papa's gonna get Chimney Head situated. You wanna throw Cartoon Cat back up and we'll open him? I think he is Nugget. Isn't his name Nugget?
They have
Oh.
They have some pretty good weight to them.
Oh, good.
It's broken.
Is it really?
His hand.
His hand is broken? Oh, I could probably super glue it back on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure
I
his
see
name
it.
is Nugget, isn't it? Yeah, tell me you guys if I'm wrong or not. Oh, it will pop, maybe it'll pop back in.
It's just a little ball.
Yeah, it's like a Lego hand.
Oh, it moves.
And I can super glue it in tighter.
It's got 2 holes.
Oh, 2 holes for those little tootsies. Look at those tiny tootsies.
That one goes in good.
Yes.
Is it satisfying?
No, that's
Looks satisfying. So those things have weight to them. They're a little heavier, the little bases.
Yeah, it feels sturdy. Not like super cheap like this.
Okay, we got one more Cartoon Cat. Pretend
only
you.
the scary side.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Max thinks he is a little scary looking. He's got a sinister face. Okay, let's open him up. Oh, no bacon yet. Oh, Cartoon Cat is heavy. He's pretty heavy. Oh yeah, and the bases are good. Look at Cartoon Cat. Max thinks it's very disturbing, and it is. It is disturbing.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He twists. Look at him
yeah.
twisting.
Oh yeah.
None of the other one.
Oh.
Yeah, that's weird. He twists, but the
Oh,
others
yeah.
don't.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
These
Oh
things are like the
oh.
most legit ones you got. Sometimes.
Yeah, these are legit. I'm pretty stoked. I think I got these on eBay, but I'm not positive, so I'll find out and put it in the video for you guys.
Can you put this on?
Sure. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, here's Cartoon Cat.
Siren Head will always be the king. He's like the OG.
Yeah, he is the king of
I'm sorry.
Everybody loves him the most.
Another one now.
Okay, Papa will get those set up, and then I'll show the details in a minute, guys. We're gonna open another thing.
What Lego is this?
It's a Lego set.
What is it?
Do you know who it is? See if you can guess by seeing these.
Chimney head?
Nope. What would a green circle be on? And there's probably other colors too. All right, I'll tell you.
What?
Traffic light head. It's just like your siren head, but a traffic light head. Are you so happy?
Oh yeah, look, Papa.
His arms big too, though.
If I
Oh, Cartoon Cat is posable.
remember that big sound head that was like this tall? Now
you
traffic light, that's the same size.
Yeah.
I think
Yep.
it is.
That's traffic light head.
That's
It looks just like the other one.
6.
Yep, so we'll build that in a minute and then show you guys. Okay, one more package to open. Ooh, do you know who that is, kids?
Milk cracker.
Milk Walker Ambassador.
You see this?
Oh, it's a little sign they put on there. 100% homemade. This is another Etsy plush that was made by somebody.
Smell it too.
How good.
Smell it.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like heaven. It smells like like Bed Bath & Beyond. That's what it smells like, Bed Bath & Beyond. Oh, he's got bendable wire arms.
Wires.
Oh, Max loves the smell. He's in heaven with the
You like
smell.
that one or Unspeakable more?
Yeah, Max loves his Unspeakable plush the most of any plush he has right now. Oh, are you dying or what, bro? I think we should be concerned about this scent. Is it gonna be okay for him? Look at how big he is, guys.
It's got like little wires.
He's gigantic. Ooh, Milk Walker Ambassador. He's a milk carton, guys. If you haven't seen him before. Yeah, train eater. Look how big he is. Did you see the dude in the front? His like, yeah, it's like his uvula or something in his tongue.
No.
Does that smell good
Put your
too?
hand in there, bro. It goes in.
Oh my heck.
Smell it first.
What does it smell like?
Smell it.
What does this one smell like?
Fabric.
Ooh, that one
Put your
smells good
hand in
too.
Like a car, like car fabric.
Put my arm all the way in. Oh my heck.
Now,
My arm fits in there. Oh, he's eating Max! No, Bridge Eater! Bridge Eater's got my son! Oh, no, he doesn't. Look at this. Bridge Eater. He's seriously one of my favorites so far. What do you think, Max? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh wait.
Oh, what was it? What was in it?
That in his mouth.
Yeah, that was inside of it.
Something was in his mouth? What is it?
You just ate a poor innocent bunny.
Is it a bunny? He put a bunny toy in the mouth. There's a bunny toy in the mouth. They put in there for Max. Oh, having a hard time going back there.
So just a little, like,
It's a little squishy bunny.
Smell it.
Is it
It's not
squishy?
squishy.
Oh, it's not.
Smell
Oh.
It's like wax.
Oh my heck, it is wax.
Smell
It is like
Smell it.
wax. I think it's soap. Is it soap? It's a soap bunny. And this is from Russia, guys. And shipped to us with Russian post. Look at the...
fabric softener.
I could smell the bunny
that.
still in there.
That's where it came from. Oh, you can smell... The bunny smell still in there? Is it a soap, Papa?
It's in Russian.
Oh, it's in Russian.
Hey,
Shit.
Papa. Look,
I
Papa.
feel like
kids.
it's an air
Let
freshener.
me see.
Papa.
Oh, it probably was an air freshener to make it smell good. And look, guys, this is a Russian air freshener.
I think.
Look at that, Russian cursive. How exciting is that? Very exciting. So which one do you love most, Milk Walker or Train Eater? You love them both? Let's see. So he definitely can't stand up.
If he did, like... Oh!
Yeah, he'd be really
Wait,
tall
he
if he could
can.
stand up.
He can for 1 second.
And then he just falls. Look at him,
Look, Mac.
his face.
Mac. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Oh.
Nice.
I have an idea. I'll be right back.
Okay. I forgot to move that tub out of this.
braces.
You saw Momo with braces?
Let's go.
Momo with braces?
Finally getting those teeth fixed, huh?
What? No Momo with braces. What you looking for?
More of these.
More plants? Oh,
I'll
looks
show you
cool.
what the plan is.
Okay.
Papa, I'll show you what the plan is. Look. Boom. Post.
Oh, look how tall they are to a
Probably
tree.
accurate, huh?
Yeah, but
We
that
need
is
more.
accurate.
Is that okay?
Yeah, Cartoon Cat is not too big. Yeah, he's not too big. He's more small.
Why does Siren
Traffic-
Head's feet look like that?
Yeah, he does have tiny little stubby feet, guys.
We need to get a bunch of these trees.
More plants? I think I know where there's more
His feet
plants
look
at.
More like tree roots, kind of.
Okay, here, I'll put this here.
Let's play with these with this stuff. What one do you want to be?
And do
I want to
what?
be Siren Heads.
I'll be Cartoon Cat, or this guy's freaking creepy. I don't even know what he does.
Look, Mac.
He's creepy.
Look, play look. Papa, look.
Look at his face, bro. Look at his butt. Why is his butt all?
Sexy. He's cute. When you look at him, he doesn't move, but when you don't look at him, he moves. Yeah, look, see, he's not moving. Now look the other way.
Would that be a jump scare of the century?
Booty.
Watch this.
can only find
Why?
one
Look.
Watch
We
this.
have to see this booty.
Oh, what's wrong with the booty?
Cartoon Cat just slaps everybody. Watch.
Got him.
Got him.
Got him.
Don't slap my friend.
Train Eater is attacking. Oh no! He is not happy. Oh, he ate somebody! Oh, cartoon cat! He ate cartoon cat! Cartoon cat! He's gonna throw him up! Don't eat Milk Walker's legs! Oh gosh. Oh, there he comes. There's cartoon cat. Oh no, he's eating Milk Walker's legs. He's sucking him in. He's got his limbs.
Supposed to be like a milk carton or something?
Yeah, he's a milk carton. Yes. No, he's pulling him away. Oh, he still got him. Oh gosh, that was disturbing. That was so disturbing. Oh my word. I love his face though. Look at his little legs and all the eyeballs.
Quick.
The little guy is distressed. He's very distressed. Help me! Help! Help! I'm on this crazy train guy. Oh, hey, no twerking. Train eater! Stop the twerking! Stop it! He's twerking on film. This is a kid audience. No!
Remember, I can kill cartoon cat. Look, here, look, here, look. Hi.
Hey.
No! Don't twerk at cartoon cat. No twerking at cartoon cat. No! So disturbing. Is that the noise he makes?
Which one's the most disturbing? Which one's your nightmare? This guy or this guy? Which one's
He's got sick.
Yeah.
Which one's your
He's got
paralysis
sexy
demon? Is this your paralysis demon right here?
Yeah, cartoon cat is definitely Max's paralysis demon.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and kill you.
No, I'm cartoon cat.
Oh,
Oh.
wait.
Why did they put Lego hands on this guy?
I know. It's like he's got Lego hands. Oh, that's disturbing.
Now it's even more.
No, that's even
Now
worse.
it's nightmare fuel.
He's planking. He's planking.
Wait, this is your paralysis. Is that your paralysis?
What if all of a sudden you wake up and you see this?
No.
No, look, imagine having sleep paralysis and you see this on your bed.
Oh gosh. No.
You can't do anything about it.
Here, I'll show the kids up close. This is what it looks like, guys.
You have paralysis.
Look,
You have sleep
that's what it
paralysis.
looks like.
Sleep paralysis
Look
is where
at
you
that.
can't move. You wake up but you can't move.
Hi, kids.
Your dream.
Yeah, and you can't move. That's like sleep
Yeah,
paralysis.
sleep paralysis. How good they look.
Sleep
Look at these details. Details, bro. No, cartoon cat. Oh, Siren Head's not messing
took out
around.
two.
Yeah, Siren Head is not
You
messing
said he
around.
wasn't messing around.
Siren Head or
Oh, no, he's not messing around. Cartoon cat is sassy. He is sassing Train Eater.
I'm just gonna.
Just slide him in.
Yeah, just.
Nice.
No deal.
No big deal.
All the way in
No
here.
big deal.
Found him.
got
There's
him.
Chimney Head,
Found
guys.
him.
Look how cool he looks.
Found him.
That's awesome.
Found him.
Yeah, these are like some solid.
Yeah, they're great.
Like plastic or
Found him.
how they feel like to you.
Yeah, they feel like vinyl
Oh, that
plastic.
one though. That one feels different. It's like
Look at the teeth. Look at
Yeah.
now you can see
have mom feel this one.
teeth up close.
Feel this one. I think that one feels like clay or something. It feels different.
It does feel different. Yeah.
Or a really solid plastic.
Look at his face. Look at that disturbing little face. Oh! I could be wrong about that name, but Nugget feels like that's his name. Look at the bum. It looks like he was sliding down like a hill, an asphalt hill. He got a road rash on his bum.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are cool. These are cool, all right.
Who's that guy?
That's pretty. That's probably accurate, huh?
Yeah, pretty accurate.
Shark guy, he'll see all you guys. I'm a watermelon shark.
No.
Oh, there's a watermelon shark. There's a little rainbow friend guy. Or that's a Roblox guy.
Roblox.
Yeah, that's a little watermelon shark from Roblox. Those are the Roblox characters we just got in another video. Those are Roblox guys.
The Roblox guys are cool because their knees bend like that.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. And you can interchange their bodies. Max likes the soldier guy. There's like a SWAT guy. No. Yeah, there's a SWAT guy and then there's a soldier guy with a machine gun. Oh, look at this display.
Wait, where's his base?
Yeah, where's his
Wait,
base?
you got it in there?
Oh, it's right here. Right here. This is the only one that doesn't have white. Oh no, traffic light head's base doesn't have white on it either. Just 3 of them don't have white, and then 2 do. Nugget's got a little tiny base. That's cool. They have those little signs as base. No, traffic light head. Oh, he just got booted off by the booty.
This guy will just throw a dynamite right in him.
Oh my gosh, dynamite. Oh, he just blew up. Oh, the dynamite came out. The dynamite. There it is. Caused all that problem. Oh, Tree Eater. He's upside down. He's like a little roly-poly bug.
The giant enemy spider.
Giant enemy spider. He's so cool. That's so cute.
That's a song. That's a song.
Oh, look at how cute this is. They sent a little Christmas card on it. Because by the time, like when they sent it, it was probably Christmas time. Or it was probably before that, actually. That's cute. It's a little Russian Christmas card, guys. Look. It's got Russian cursive on it. That's so cute. Oh gosh, what is he doing? Pop is getting all the Roblox guys set up.
Some of them don't stay here.
This is a weird guy. He's like a businessman, but he has like a bicycle helmet on. Or a caving helmet. Oh, this is a watermelon guy.
Going to do some caving.
Look, you can see him in the eye.
Oh yeah, bow and arrow. Is that an enchanted arrow?
He died again because he got
Tree Eater! He's like a little bug upside down.
Look. He needs help.
He's like a beetle. Oh, buddy.
He needs to respawn.
Here, let's rub his
He
belly.
needs
Oh, you have to help
some
him.
milk.
Help him.
Can I rub his belly and help him?
You have to like get him back up.
Okay, let's 1, 2, 3, and we'll flip, buddy. 1, 2, 3, flip. Oh, he did it. He's good. Oh, we got Steve too.
He's got a varied collection.
Yeah, it is a varied collection. Hey, just throw Steve up. There's Steve.
Steve, that's where
Poor
he's
Steve.
We have
He bit the head off of a Roblox guy. We need to put this head back on. That's just very disturbing. Here we go. Here he is. No twerking!
He's gonna poke him in the eye.
What's all this twerking about? I don't know if that's Trevor Henderson approved twerking or not.
Definitely not.
Probably not approved.
What if he comes and they put like a motor in here that makes him does this?
Oh gosh.
Jemmy would.
Jemmy would do it. Yep.
Come back. Look. See how slow he goes?
He's very slow, but very serious. Oh, no, he's not slow. He's not slow at all. He's fast as heck, bro. It's legitness. Here is Milk Walker Ambassador. Here's his
The
head.
sock still stays alive.
He's powerful.
His legs and arms.
Do you recognize anything?
What? He has his hand on someone. He's just squishing him to bits. Oh, gosh. It's a pirate. Look at the pirate has a beard, too. Did you see the wizard in there? The wizard is perished. This is, what a cute little air freshener. It's got to be an air freshener. It smells good. It smells like Russia.
Look.
It's very Russian smelling. Russian scent.
You recognize it's not supposed to go like that. It's supposed to go like that.
Oh. Oh, whoops.
Look.
I stand corrected. Look at this destruction scene. And then these guys, Chimney Head and little Nugget Butt. Siren Head.
Because he's too big.
They're just good. Yeah, he's huge.
He can't help it, huh? He's actually really nice.
How big is he to Siren Head? Like, for real, how big is he to Siren Head?
Yeah, is this accurate?
Oh,
Tell me
no,
if
that's
this is-
not accurate.
It's not?
Siren Head's like
Oh, my statue?
that big.
Would my statue be the right size?
What?
It's in the other room. I can grab it. No.
Siren Head's like that big.
Oh, jeez. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
He's like as big as a twin.
So oh, dang. That is some bigness. Oh, Max got an owie. Buddy, are you okay?
That
Good.
wasn't coughing, was it? Yeah.
Yeah, these guys are awesome. I love them.
Cartoon Cat isn't this big to Siren Heads. He's like
Yeah, he's smaller.
he's
huh?
like 2 times
What if
bigger
it's
than a
his,
human.
what if
Oh.
it's his second form?
Oh, that would be terrifying if that guy was as big as Siren Head, looking like that. Terrifying. Like, terrifying.
A few inches later.
What's up, guys? This is part 2 now. We have waited a couple weeks and because Max had some more coming. Yeah, oh yep, there's the action figures in a baggie there.
Okay, let's just open
We've got 2 packages from Russia.
I know who this is.
You do?
This is him!
Okay, let's see what's in here. And they're both from Russia, guys.
Oh yeah, look.
Okay, we got a couple in there. Hopefully there's 3 because we ordered 3.
There's 2 in now.
Just 2? I'm so excited. More Trevor Henderson stuff, guys. Okay, it's the giant Puppeteer. And we finally have breaking news. Breaking news there and remain indoors. That is remain indoors, guys.
It doesn't stand. It doesn't stand.
We might be able to get him to stand. Yep. Oh, now he's standing. Remain indoors is standing, and he's remaining indoors. Look at his tentacles down there. Look at those tentacles. And finally, breaking news. Breaking news. Can you tell that they're all made by that same lady that made your others?
Standing.
Yep, he's standing.
Standing.
And they've got like buttons on their arms so they can rotate and move them. It's kind of cool. Look at breaking news, finally. And a giant Puppeteer, guys. Puppeteer. He's a big boy. Oh, they're all standing. Breaking news is standing by himself. Remain indoors is standing. And the Puppeteer is standing. They're standers. We've got some standers here. Oh, baby. Look at that. He's got them all standing. It's just Puppeteer is really hard to stand. Oh my gosh, he did it! He did it! They're all standing together like a trio of evil. And their friend who's still in his Russian box. Look at let's show the kids the Russian words on there. Look at that. It's a real Russian box from Russia, guys. Isn't that exciting? Okay. What do you think of breaking news? I think Papa likes him.
I like it because they make it so the arms and legs move.
Yes.
They're on like buttons.
Yep. Adjustable.
Like you can go.
Oh, he's blasting. Oh! And we have breaking news over here. Here's the one I made out of clay, guys. I made this one out of clay. And see, he's holding some cars and he's on the road to show how big he is. That's my little clay sculpture. And here's my day 17 and my bridge worm. And then here's Siren head over here. Thought I'd show you if you guys hadn't seen those bad boys. Look at these friends. Which one's your favorite so far?
That one.
You like remain indoors. He's awesome. I love his tentacles. Look at that. How big is he supposed to be?
Big.
Like real big?
Bigger than Siren heads. Bigger than him.
What about day 17?
Bigger than these 2.
Really?
A little bit bigger than day 17.
That'd be so creepy seeing that coming.
Barely.
Can
A
you-
person is this big.
Oh, a person is that big? Like a little Lego guy maybe?
That tall.
Like as tall as a Lego guy?
That tall.
That's creepy.
No, not as tall as a Lego guy. That tall.
Those tentacles grab you.
As tall as a baby Lego.
That's awesome.
Those tentacles grab you.
Oh yeah, just like day 17. He's got his little tentacles hanging down. Are they cuddly too?
This is tongue.
Yeah, I think it's like an anteater, I
He doesn't
think.
have a tongue though.
We'll have to look at the picture.
It's not supposed
It
to
might
have a
shoot
tongue.
out and grab people or
Oh,
something.
it doesn't have a tongue. No, it's only like this.
It's not like a tentacle that shoots out. That's the giant Puppeteer. We'll have to look him up and see what that does. Probably grabs people like an anteater. We still have a box to open.
His name is what he does.
Oh. Does he control people?
Yeah, he has strings.
Oh, he's got strings
And
and he
his
can
hands.
like grab you and make you do what he
No,
wants.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's
But
creepy.
this one doesn't have it. In the pixel, he does.
That's pretty cool. Just making people move and stuff, taking over them. I like his little butt. He's got a cute little butt. Oh, dang. Oh, he's pretty powerful. He's withstanding it. He's handling. Oh, no, he's not. Okay, let's open that box. I'm dying to see the 4th Trevor Henderson plushie.
This is
And now I'm going to have to do another video of all our Trevor Henderson plushies because we have so many now. It's insanity.
I need help.
Okay.
Yeah, tell the kids why it's so clean and what's the sounds. Why is
Oh,
why is
yeah.
it's so clean and the noises.
The noises. We're getting ready to go on vacation, guys.
Oh, Disneyland on a plane.
Yes, we're going tomorrow morning. We're going on a plane to Disneyland.
We're going at 5. We're gonna wake up at 5.
Yep, 5 in the morning, and we're going on a plane to Disneyland. And we'll see you guys in some shorts and some videos over there that we're gonna be doing.
I need help, Mommy.
Okay, I'll get it. All right, I'm excited for this one.
I know what this one is.
Max knows. Okay, let's see what it is. Oh, does anyone know what it is? It has a fancy bow. If anyone knows what it is already, hurry and comment below and let us know. What is it? Which creature is this? Max looks very beautiful. Okay, which Trevor Henderson creature is this, guys? Can you tell? Max can tell you. Do you want to tell them what it is?
The Kraken.
Kraken. The Kraken. Look at him.
Does it look like a Kraken?
Yeah,
But-
that's Trevor Henderson's
Wait, I want to show
Kraken.
the kids the Kraken that you made.
Oh yeah, should we go show him? Okay, this is Max's new Kraken. Now let's go show you the clay Kraken that I made him. It's in his room. It's right here.
There's a pirate ship.
This is the Kraken that I made Max. See the tentacles? And inside is a pirate ship that he has trapped in the waves. So that is, yeah, that's the Kraken I made him. Do 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 do. Look at little Kraken, which is a huge Kraken. How big in size is Kraken?
I don't know.
Is he like,
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
he's like a mile?
No, he's not that
So
big.
if he was in the ocean, would he be really big? Like super
He's
big?
not that big. I don't think. I don't think he's that big.
There's a mythical creature.
The bow!
Nobody knows exactly.
The bow!
Yeah, look, he's got different colored tentacles.
The
Oh, the beautiful bow. I think Remain Indoors wants that bow. He wants to look beautiful. Oh, he's very sturdy. But check out these tentacles. It's got like different colors. Yeah, he's got several tentacles. He's got the dark red ones and the regular red ones and white ones.
After this, I want
Dang.
to sew them all.
These are like his teeth. These are
I want to
teeth.
sew them all suitcases after this.
Oh, okay. I think these are
I'll
his
go get
teeth.
ready.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, we're going to show you guys
Yeah.
Max's suitcase, which has stuff in it, I think. So careful.
Yeah, it
I
does.
think. Let's close it so that you can carry it. Okay, Max is going to
Oh,
demonstrate
yeah.
his suitcase for the trip.
It's BB-8.
R2D2. Max used to call this Tootie Toot.
And then look, you just plus the button.
Yep, you just push the button, push the handle back down.
It goes down.
You can carry it through the airport, just push it through. Super convenient.
It's super hard. Can I put this in?
Yes, you can. He's going to go put Remain Indoors in his room with his display. Whoa, look, we're suddenly
They're right here.
somewhere else. Do do do. Whoa, Kraken! Ah! Kraken!
Play cats, too.
Kraken! Kraken!
He's floating. I think he floats.
Yeah. Ooh, scary.
Thank you.
I think
Got him.
Henderson's with
Yep.
I'm floating.
Look, Max is getting them all situated, guys. Nice and standing and situated. So cool. I love them. They are serious. Seriously awesome. Nya, 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 nya. Nya, nya, nya. Nya.
It's that little statue.
The Roblox.
I'm still alive. Dang. He eats and he just. Hey, so you're telling me he just chomps them in one bite? That's it. They're
Look,
gone.
he's still alive?
I don't have a head, so you can't hurt me. Wait, we'll find him one. It'll be the girl. Hi. Hi, guys. We're friendly.
Look.
Stop eating my friend. He's buff. Look at, he's powerful. He wants to fight him. Let's fight.
What?
They don't even stand a chance, is what you're telling me? I have a cow head, but I'm actually
Look, this
a
will
cat.
kill you.
Look, he's a cat. but he has a cow head.
Wait, my neck.
Is he? No! Tooting on people! that's disturbing. He's tooting. That's one of his.
Perfect. The calf is.
That's one of his weapons. Is a toot.
This
No.
this guy's called Mr. Fancy Pants. But he also see his fancy.
Oh, he has a scarf
His little
thing.
scarf. But he's also a caver. Because
He's like a winter caver. He's
that's
prepared.
his hobby.
I love it.
But
Siren Head doesn't like him. Siren Head just toppled him away.
this is the beginner player.
Yeah, that's just regular. We haven't upgraded with any Robux or anything.
They've spent all your mom's money there.
There's the girl head playing by Siren Head. I'm trying to make Siren Head fall. Duh.
Him versus Bunny.
Bunny versus Chimney Head. Who's gonna win?
Bunny's got a belly button.
Oh, that's disturbing. It's too much detail. Bunny! Stop throwing yourself at Chimney Head. He still won't fall. Look at that. He still He still won't fall. Oh my gosh. Roblox Girl Head just defeated him. Bunny! You are more of a Trevor Henderson creature than them. He's just, yeah, I mean, look at this face, guys. Look at that sinister face, guys. So sinister. Smells like a Russian, like, bail bondsman.
3 days later.
All right, guys, I have a pack of, not Legos, mock blocks, knockoff Legos. This is Traffic Light Head. You can see his little green light in there. So I'm gonna build it right now. Let's see what he looks like, guys. traffic light head is done. Check him out. He's bigger than I thought. He's pretty big. He's about 12 inches tall. He stands by himself, as you see. Check out his details. Look at those details. Lots of details, guys. I had to put lots of details in this thing. There's the back of him. It's nice and smooth. So, he looks pretty legit, guys. I can't wait to show Max when he gets home from school.